Good morning. It's nice and early in the office. Starting to get everything packed up because in around half an hour, jump in the Corsa and make our way over to North Wales, where the idea today is going to meet a friend called Jack. We're going to go up Tryfan, which is a really famous mountain in North Wales in the Snowdonia range. Famous for some really good scrambles, so we're going to hopefully get some really good footage before then. Camp down because the weather's supposed to get pretty bad. And we've arrived in Snowdonia, and I believe we're going straight up there. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. So we're making our way up to the van, as it's pronounced properly, with Big Jack. Jack's from Eldraw Media, who makes all the videos that you've probably seen for like different events. I've done like the chin-ups and some of the events coming up as well. So he's currently leading me up very fast. We're flying. The car's just down there. And yeah, we're heading up now. This looks like an amazing climb. Loads of bouldering. Loads of scrambling up. You can see it as we start to head up. And what a day for it.
In the hearse. I've been on a vibe kinda hard to describe. I'm in between, I'm good and it's fine, but I'm tired of the grind. Then I come alive in the night to realize I'm in the middle of the time of my life. I'm never so packed for the stack, never lied on the rap. Got a bag from the way that I write it. Queen looking Tyson, through that ass survive, doing 80 to the house. Then I hit her to the sky, change haters on a tirade. Talking to their crib in the face, be still, let that hate stuff fade. We all want the same, we all want a meal in the safe. I wanna live like I'm trying to reach enlightenment. Trail spill from my lips, feel big from the bib. Take a sip till I pass out. Try and get grit, but it don't make sense. Cause you can lose life on this fast route. Yeah, turn thoughts to a cash cow. I might flip that to the glass house. I don't need the accolades, I'm in love with the chase. I just wanna eat, save a spot at the table. Beast with the slap, pin myself on the map. You long with the wind, but we knowing that it's capped. 5-hour flights, couple nights at the flat. To be real, couldn't see me making moves while I'm at. I'm still on the grind, limit time when I chat. Sage, keep the demons away. When I write it, give a piece of myself to the page. I don't do it for the praise, love, that's just how I'm made.
From the glass in the mirror.
Yeah.
Do it at me, old man, trying to pass in the fear.
So we made it up to the top, to Adam and Eve. How's that, Jack? Good?
Yeah, nearly as good as this coffee.
Navigator blend. So saying goodbye to Adam and Eve, and now making our way back down by a different route. My man Jack is leading the way back to the car. That was so much fun. Anyone who's never done this before, I'd really recommend it because there's so many like scrambles and you sort of choose your own route up. Yeah, absolutely loved it. It was so much fun, and we've still got loads more to go anyway. Now look at this.
Young niggas in me reckless, gold in my soul, got the same on my necklace, bitch.
going complete cross country now. Save a bit of time so we can get back with some dinner. And we have made it back to the car. But there it is. They've just been up here. And that is us back at the cars, heading home, looking forward to some dinner. Big Jack, thanks mate, that was class. Oh, that was so much fun. So up and down Tryfan, what, 5 hours? Probably about 5 hours, 4.5, 5 hours of work there. Really recommend it. It was so much fun. It was good to do with Jack as well. He's mega skilled with like photography and videography, so he got some good shots as we were going up. Loads of scrambling, loads of options to do rope climb if you're into that as well. So now I'm gonna go and find, I'm sent at a campsite tonight, so I'm gonna go and find that, literally just down the road, and get some dinner. Team, amazing. The next one, because tomorrow I'm heading out like a multi-day wild camp. So to follow the next vlog, we'll get that on video, show you how we wild camp, the kit I'll use, all that stuff. Class. Seek, strive, conquer team.